This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A fresh political controversy has emerged inside the Madhya Pradesh Congress. Senior Congress leader and former State General Secretary Rakesh Singh Yadav claimed that he has resigned from the party. He made serious allegations against the State Congress President Jeetu Patwari and party in charge Harish Chaudhary. Yadav accused Patwari of weakening the party, taking one-sided decision and silencing leaders who disagree with him. He also alleged that Harish Chaudhary sold election tickets in Punjab and claimed that Jeetu Patwari gave him a defender by supporting and protecting him. However, the Congress rejected these claims, saying Yadav did not resign but was expelled from the party. The matter has sparked fresh debate over internal differences in the state Congress.
जीतू पटवारी इस पद के योग्य नहीं थे, लेकिन लेन देन करके बन गए। किसी को डिफेंडर दे दी, किसी को पैसा दे दिया, जमीनों की दलाली करते हैं, इसलिए तो वो दिग्विजय सिंह का अपमान करते हैं, इसलिए कमलनाथ का अपमान करते हैं। राहुल गांधी जी ऐसे धृतराष्ट्र हैं जिनकी खुली आंखों पे पट्टी बंधी है और उन्होंने अनेक दुर्योधन पैदा कर दिए।
Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has issued a strong warning to officials over pending transfer cases. During a review meeting, he ordered that all transfer files marked under the special A+ category must be cleared by Friday evening. He said A+ means A+, and stressed that every case must be resolved without delay. The Chief Minister questioned why even top priority files were still pending. He warned that if A+ files are ignored, it raises concern about the handling of other government work. Officials have been directed to complete the process immediately. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will visit Sannod village in Dewas district on Saturday, July 4 to inaugurate the new Sandipani school. The event is being seen as an important step to improve education in the region. The district administration has completed all preparations for the Chief Minister's visit. Local public representatives, teachers, students and many residents are expected to attend the inauguration ceremony. Officials believe the new school will provide better educational opportunities for children and strengthen the state efforts to improve the quality of education in rural areas. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has taken suo motu notice after additional district judge Tabassum Khan received death threats. Judge Khan had sentenced 14 people to life imprisonment in a mob lynching case. The court asked the Director General of Police and the Additional Chief Secretary to submit a report within 3 days. The next hearing is scheduled for July 9th. The High Court said judges cannot be threatened simply because someone dislikes a court decision. The Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association also condemned the threats and said legal judgment should only be challenged through proper court procedures. A police case has been registered against a BJP leader in Sagar after a woman doctor and a nurse accused him of inappropriate touching. The medical staff also claimed that the accused threatened to shoot them. Following the incident, doctors, nurses and hospital employees staged a protest and demanded stronger security inside the medical college. They said such incidents create fear among healthcare workers and affect their ability to work safely. Police have registered an FIR and started an investigation. Authorities have assured that legal action will be taken based on the evidence. Heavy monsoon rain has affected many parts of Madhya Pradesh, causing floods and disrupting normal life. More than 26 districts including Bhopal and Indore received heavy rainfall on Friday. In Ujjain, several temples along the Shipra river were submerged as the water level rose. In Harda, the overflowing Machak river cut off road links to more than 12 villages. Roads in Narmadapuram were flooded after 1 hour of heavy rain. The Goi river and the barrage overflowed in Sindhwa Barwani district. A house collapsed in Meher. One man was swept away while crossing a bridge and the body of another missing man was recovered after nearly 36 hours. Rescue teams remain on alert.